How to express apology. How to express apology. I am very sorry. I am very sorry. I am so sorry about that. I am so sorry about that. I feel terrible. I am so sorry. I feel terrible. I am so sorry. I am so sorry. That was thoughtless of me. I am so sorry. That was thoughtless of me. I am sorry. That was wrong of me. I am sorry. That was wrong of me. I was wrong about that. I was wrong about that. I am sorry. That was my fault. I am sorry. That was my fault. I am very sorry for the way I behaved. I am very sorry for the way I behaved. I apologize. I was out of line. I apologize. I was out of line. You can blame me for that. You can blame me for that. How should I apologize to you? How should I apologize to you? I wanted to say I am sorry. I wanted to say I am sorry. I want to tell you I am sorry. I want to tell you I am sorry. I must apologize for my long absence. I must apologize for my long absence. I am terribly sorry for my mistake. I am terribly sorry for my mistake. Please accept my apologies for the delay response. Please accept my apologies for the delay response. Excuse me for jumping in. Excuse me for jumping in. Please forgive me for my anger. Please forgive me for my anger. I am really ashamed of what I did. I am really ashamed of what I did. I would like to apologize for my mistake. I would like to apologize for my mistake. I am really sorry about what I said. I am really sorry about what I said. It is my fault. I shouldn't have done the mistake. It is my fault. I shouldn't have done the mistake. I owe you an apology for the inconvenience. I owe you an apology for the inconvenience. I am so embarrassed. I didn't mean to hurt you. I am so embarrassed. I didn't mean to hurt you. That was rude of me. I am sorry. That was rude of me. I am sorry. I hope you will forgive me for my sins. I hope you will forgive me for my sins. Pardon me for this misunderstanding. Pardon me for this misunderstanding. I am ashamed of you. I am ashamed of you. I am so sorry for the inconvenience caused. I am so sorry for the inconvenience caused. I apologize for the oversight. I apologize for the oversight. I do apologize for the inconvenience caused. I do apologize for the inconvenience caused. I really must apologize for my action. I really must apologize for my action. I am very sorry. I am very sorry. I want to apologize for being late. I want to apologize for being late. I was wrong. I was wrong. What can I do to make it right? What can I do to make it right? I will try not to do that again. I will try not to do that again. Will you please forgive me? Will you please forgive me? How do I make it right? How do I make it right? I am sorry. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. I made a mistake and I regret it. I made a mistake and I regret it. I never intended to hurt you, and I am truly sorry. I never intended to hurt you, and I am truly sorry.